everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, welcome. My name is Shauna. I am a New York City based model and makeup lover. Today I'm really excited. I am going to be sharing with you the new Doubledown Cosmetics x MedeaiJ collection. It is called The Future and it features 3 eyeshadow pigments, a new highlighter, and a tinted lip balm. So as you can see, the color story is green and blue, and I am just in love. These colors are amazing. I am so proud of you all for doing this project and for doing it amazingly. This is the promo card that comes with the collection with MedeaiJ there and her amazing eye look. So yeah, and then this is the highlighter. It's kind of an icy highlighter with like a bluish green shift to it. So it's really complementary with the eyeshadows. And as you can probably tell, I just got my hair done, so I'm really excited they have no roots and that my brows are lightened. So yeah, I hope that we can get through this video because I am definitely having some technical difficulties with my phone, but we're gonna do our best job and we're gonna make it happen. All right, so let's go. So first I'm going to be going in with the shade The Unity, which is technically a shimmery green shade, and I'm placing that all over the upper sections of the eye. Though it is a shimmer, I feel like it definitely can read at least semi-matte. Next I'm going in with the shade The Strength, and this is a gorgeous shimmery blue color. It has a tinge of green to it, and I am just placing that on the lid with a flat brush. And I did have some fallout with this, which is, I mean, it's to be expected. It's a loose pigment. So I did want to include some footage here, which is coming up in a few seconds, where I applied concealer and blended that out just to get rid of that. Underneath the eye, I'm going back in with the shade The Unity on a smaller flat brush and just putting that from corner to corner. Taking the third color, The Belief, and it is a beautiful kind of acid, vibrant, shimmery green color, and I'm using that as the inner eye highlight color. Now I'm going in with the face highlight color, and I'm using that as my brow highlight, and this is in the shade The Light. Next, I'm just quickly curling my lashes. Now I'm taking the Pacifica Beauty eyeliner in the shade Bear and placing that in the waterline, and that is just going to open up the eyes a bit. And now I'm just going in with my usual mascara, the Milk Makeup Push Mascara. Now moving on to the face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker in the shade Shady Biz, and I'm holding my hair back here just because when I have my hair freshly colored, I don't want to get any of the color into the hairline and end up staining the hair. And now I'm going in with the highlighter, the light again, and placing that on the cheek. And as you can see, it is stunning. That duochrome green reflect is just gorgeous and could not be more mermaid. And now to finish off the look, I am going in with the Doubledown, the Future Tinted Lip Balm. So this is the finished look. I love how mermaidy and kind of oceany it came out. Those aren't words, but yeah. So yeah, this is the Future collection with Doubledown and MedeaiJ. Congratulations, Medea, and to Kristen and Marvin of Doubledown Cosmetics. As you can see, these shadows are gorgeous. They are all loose pigments. They are technically all shimmers. I would say that I don't have my glasses on, the Unity color, the darker green color, even though it is a shimmer, it can kind of pass as a matte in the crease. Definitely let me unscroll to find the color again. The Strength, I would say has more shimmer to it, and absolutely the Relief has a lot of shimmer. It's the most shimmery shadow. They're really, really beautiful. The highlight, as you can see, when I packed it on, it is amazing, and it has that green tint to it to really tie in the whole collection. And the lip balm, even though it's tinted, I could tell that it has a lot of pigment, so I just used a little because I wanted to keep the focus on the eyes. So yeah, I feel this is totally my aesthetic, and I have to go film a casting video actually now, but I also will of course add a full look to the end of this. And make sure you check me out on Instagram at Shauna Steele if you would like to see more images of the completed look. So until next time, stay safe, stay well, bye.